So here we're asked to find an equivalent expression to this, and the first thing I'm going to do is to pay attention to the denominators. Note here, if I were to factor an xy, largest common term, I will get x minus 8, and that's x minus 8 here. So if I were to rewrite this, x minus 8, xy, x minus 8, this drops out, and to match the denominators I just have to multiply it by x over x. So let's see, because equivalent means just has to be identical, but they could rewrite in a slightly different form. So now it becomes xy. I'm going to distribute this, same denominator, plus 12x plus x minus 8 over x times x minus 8. And then I'm going to combine like terms. This is where I get, and I don't see any other opportunity to simplify this. And you'll note that that's not there. So what they've done is they've kept that as the denominator. So I'm going to have to multiply this by y. I think then I see it. And then the denominator just goes back to that. And this matches with choice D. So it's kind of, sometimes you don't know where they're going to go, but essentially now I see it, is what they're really expecting you to do is to match that with this denominator, that is multiply and divide by xy. So this is kind of what they were expecting. And keep the other term the same. Now we have the same denominator. Numerator becomes xy squared plus 12xy, and then distribute that. So that, and then this simplifies to that. But in general, this is not how, I mean, in most tests, you want to write in the most reduced form. That is, if there's a common term here, you should knock it out. So that's why I had to do that additional step and look at the answer choices. So to recap, the answer is D.